If you had entered this trade when I called it on my last video on my trading secret, you would have made money, serious money, real serious money. So if you've not watched my trading secrets, make sure you check that video after this one. But that's not why we're on this video, so I'm going to go straight to the reason why we're on this video. We are back testing another strategy, and this time it's called the Schaff trend cycle. Yes, it's spelled SCHAFF trend cycle. Yes, that's why we're on this video. So I'm going to bring it onto my chart, go to indicator and look for Schaff trend cycle. All right, so let's go find the indicator. Okay, let's go find the indicator. This is it. So we're just going to click on it. All right, so we are bringing it to our chart. As you can see, this is the way it looks. It's quite easy to follow, but remember, we need one more indicator on this chart. We need one more indicator on this chart, which is my trend following indicator. So it's 200 MA moving average. All right, so this is the one we need on our chart right about now. So we are bringing that to our chart. So now we have it on our chart. We're just going to change the parameters on this one. Remember, is the 200, so all we need is the 200 moving average. So we're going to change that. All right, length is 200. That's what we want for this one. Okay, so now we're going to go to the 1 minute and test this. Go straight to the point. Okay, so I'm going to reset my chart, as you can see. So yes, the rules are simple as usual. You know, I always bring to you simple to follow rules for every trading indicator. So this one is not different. Like I said, this is the Schaff trend cycle indicator. You can check it for yourself. So for the sell, remember, we consider the 200 moving average to show our trend, and once the price is under this, that's a sell, and once the price is above the 200 moving average, that's a buy. So for this one, this would have been a sell trade just about here. Look how it crossed down. Okay, so this would have been our trade here for a sell, and I usually target a 2 to 1 usually, but if you want to start out and you want to just get out quick, you can do a 1.5 to 1. Okay, so that's 1 to 1.5 win reward. You can do that if you're just starting out. You can target the last low, or you just set your perimeters from the trading view meter itself. I've done that in my secret trading video. You can do that yourself. So you can target a 2 to 1 just like this, and would have won that trade. Okay, would have won that. Or if you target a 1 to 1.5, you will also have won that trade. This would have been the first trade just about here. Okay, this would have been the first trade. Okay, this would have been the first trade. So this is a sell. I'm going to show you a sample of a buy, and I'll go through and take multiple trades, then give you the win rate. Okay, once I'm done doing this. Okay, so this is the first one. So for a buy, we are looking at something like this. Okay, looking for something like this for our buy. All right, so this is where our first buy would have been. We look for the blue dot, the green dot for a buy. Okay, you target the last low, or you set it. I like when TradingView set it for me, so you can do that yourself, and you aim for a 1.5. Okay, Sorry about this. This was the wrong one I picked up. Supposed to be a buy. Supposed to be this one. Okay. Okay, so this would have been it here. So take it to 1 to 1.5. That would have been just about here. Okay, so that would have been a winning trade, as you can see. So I'm going to go through and take multiple trades and give you the result at the end of the day. If that's what you're interested in, make sure you watch to the end of this video and I'll give you the results very soon. Yes, I'm back with the results, and for the fun of this particular video, I took about 106 trades, to be precise, 106 trades. Yes, I must tell you, from watching other videos from Trading Rush, I had to think about it and I wondered, why did I have a different result from Trading Rush? Well, I don't know, but I have to go straight to this one. The result is not just far-fetched, but not close. It's kind of close. So I was able to win 59 trade and I lost 47. Okay, and I must tell you, I had 8 losses in a row and 5 winning trades in a row, giving me a profit of, I'll tell you that just after I give you the percentage. So the win rate for this particular test was 55%. Yes, after 106 trade was 55%, and on a $10 account you would have made a total profit of 4,150. Yes, the graph, sometimes you have that drawdown of 8 losing trades in a row, but if you use good money management and just, some people will just advise you raise 0.5% of your account. I can go to 1, I can go to 2%, but no more than that. But if you have a good money management, you are good to go. So you would have been able to make about 4,100 on a full 10k dollars account. Yes, that is the video. It took me a lot of time to do this, so about 2 months or so to get all this trade in. So you can try it for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video. If you want to see more from the channel, then you have to subscribe. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. See you on the next one. Remember, if you want me to do it on the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hours, please let me know down in the comments so that I can make videos on that. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch this playlist and I'll see you on the next one.